Hey, what's up guys? This is Rust Ride. So, time check muna tayo. 6:45 March 4. So, meron tayong announcement kay Doc Steve. So, advance ko na rin. So, advance happy birthday Doc Steve on March 6, right? That's your birthday. So, meron pasabog si Doc Steve. So, what is your pasabog?
March 6, guys. That's my birthday. We're gonna celebrate it together, right? So I'm gonna give you guys 50% off of remapping, but only remapping by the cable, not remapping backdoor. So all of Honda, you guys are welcome to come. Snipers, Aerox, NMAX V1.
NMAX V1.
Yeah. Come with your motors and we'll see. If I can remap it right away without going backdoor, I'll remap it for you 50% off. If it's not backdoor, I'm not doing that on my birthday. I don't want to stress, guys. Right? So yeah, let's do this.
Thank you, Doc Steve. Alright guys, so repeat ko lang. So birthday ni Doc Steve sa March 6. So March 6, magkakaroon tayo ng 50% off sa remapping lahat ng plug and play. So lahat ng click, pasok na pasok lahat ng click. And for Yamaha naman,
PCX,
yeah,
ADB, all of Honda.
all Honda, so plug and play. So pagdating naman sa Yamaha, Sniper 155, NMAX version 1, mga plug and play. So ayun,
Snipers.
all snipers, di ba? All snipers, plug and play. So hindi na tayo magba-backdoor. So 50% off. M3 din, MIUI 125 or itinatawag nating M3, kasama po siya sa ating plug and play. 50% off, advance happy birthday Doc Steve. That's it. Ciao. Yeah.